know, guys, I should have recorded this because it's a very good idea on how to do it. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out and I'm going to show you guys something, finally. Show you guys something on how to do this. The first thing is, you probably done this already, is take this out. Okay? You just pop that joker out. Then, the second thing that you want to do is to get it in. So I pushed it in like this. And then I took a needle nose pliers and I put this needle nose, this hole in the needle nose plier like this. And then I pressed it against this, holding this up. And then I pressed it in until it got in there. And once it got a little ways in there, then I took it out and finished it up. That didn't work, did it? So we give it a go again. Put this in here, press it in, give it a good brushing. Never fails. So always when you want to do something that's good for something, it always, well, I wouldn't say always, but quite a few times. Let's try it, guys. Here we go. There it goes again. Why? Because I'm nervous or something? I don't know. But this is how it works, and I said I'm going to show you guys how I did it. Because this joker is tight. Make sure you have your glasses on. It's the main thing. Wasn't that difficult to get in the last time? I don't like this thing shoot me in the neck. Then I'll be bleeding everywhere. Praying for somebody to save me. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. Wasn't that difficult the last time? When I did it, it just went on in. It just, boop, just went on in there. I'm sure you guys gonna have a better time at it than I am. There it is. And it's in. Well, now that I got it in, I should be able to rest, but I got the video rolling. So, I'm gonna put the veins in. Like he said, I'm gonna put the veins in. Well, it was something else. He put this in, then he put the veins in. But y'all go check him out, man. It's Project 4L60E Part 2, Lesson 6. Ed Stuckey. He's got a video by Transmission Bench. And I'm not monetized, but I still don't want them. So you go out there and check them out. In fact, that might even run you away from me. But those are the difficulties that you're going to have. He's not going to show you any difficulties because he's going to get it in there. He's a professional. Me, DIY. Well, that's what he was saying. He was saying that you should be able to do this. And with instructions, you should be able to do anything. You can fly an airplane with instructions. You know, if you have the instructions, just follow the instructions. veins are a tight fit. Shaka Khan, tight fit. No, man. See how it's hitting up against that spring there. They said technology and violence don't go together. Look at that. See how it keeps coming out. Getting frustrated. I need to bag off. I need to bag off. I need to back off. I need to back off. Because he didn't have this much difficulty. He did not have this much difficulty. I'm having a lot of difficulty. See, that's not going. It's not going because this thing here, that spring, ay, 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 ay. I know I'm pushing up against that metal and that aluminum in there. You ain't having much difficulties. One more bang, maybe two. One here. Two veins, guys. Frustration is rising. Rising to the top. Now I'm missing one, so now I have to search and find it. I think this is it over here. There. Ooh, man. Thing about it is, this joke is supposed to rotate. When you put that in there, it's supposed to rotate. It's supposed to. Put some juice in it. Like that's gonna help. That ain't rotating, is it? No, it ain't. Is it bound in there? I don't know, guys. Let me check him out. That ain't right. That's not supposed to be tight like that. That's not supposed to be tight like that. The thing is, that thing ain't supposed to be tight like that. Seems like it's coming too far off the ground. Off the bottom of it. Seems like this thing should just turn, but it's not. Don't seem like I should put that much effort in turning it. See that? That don't seem right. Let me go check him out and talk to you guys later. In fact, let me take this out. Doing it again, guys. Doing it again. Now see, that turns really good. That's how it's supposed to turn. When I take that spring out, when I put that spring in, don't seem like it seems like it just have a difficult time. Let me check him out. Let me see what he says here. Gosh. Oh man. YouTube know they want you to watch something else instead of what you want to watch. Okay, he put the springs in, and this thing is not in yet. And he's already put the springs in.
Put some fluid in the vein area. Set a vein ring in. Put fluid on the rotor. Align the tabs of the vein guide and rotor notches and put them together.
Okay.
Set them in.
Okay.
Set the other vein ring in.
Huh?
Install the 13 veins.
Wait a minute. He said to set the third ring in first. He got the spring in, now he's putting the veins in. And he's putting the veins in on the other side of the ring. The ring is not laying on top. The ring is like here, inside. That's unusual. I'm watching him. I advise you to watch him too. It looks like he's gonna take that ring and put it up. See, he took the ring and he grabbed it and he put it on top. I don't know if he put it on top or in the middle. I don't know if he did that or not. Hey, man. See, he looks like his rings are inside. Let me go check him out. Hold on a minute.